Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M32 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgotten their password. Okay, to hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Okay, to power off, just press and hold volume up down and power it together for a few seconds. Just press and hold it. Now release. Now press and hold volume up and power it together for a few seconds and release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery. Okay, now the volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Okay, now go to wipe data, factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Okay, now go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see wiping data, formatting data. So you can see data wipe complete. Okay, now reboot system now. And after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M32 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.